Over time, sediment and carbon can build up inside your filters, reducing water pressure and performance. Here's how to replace the filters in your express water whole house system, whether you have a WH100, WH200, or WH300 model. Before we begin, gather a few things. Filter housing wrench, gasket lubricant, clean towels, new replacement filters, and optional gloves to protect your hands. Turn off the main water supply going into your whole house system. Then, open a nearby faucet to release any pressure in the pipes. Once the water slows to a stop, go ahead and close that faucet. Next, press the red pressure release button on each housing. This helps prevent water from spraying when you open the system. Place a towel underneath to catch any drips. Then, use your filter wrench to loosen each housing. A little water coming out is totally normal. Take out the used filters and pour out any water left in the housings. Once a year, we recommend giving your housings a good clean. Mix warm water with a tablespoon of household bleach. Scrub the housings and the manifold, then rinse them thoroughly. Never pour bleach directly into the system or the plumbing lines. If your O-rings came loose, gently remove them and apply a small amount of silicone grease before putting them back into place. You can also add a bit of grease to the threads on the housing for a better seal. Hold the base of the new filter and insert it into the manifold at the top, making sure it lines up correctly. If you're using carbon, KDF, or PHO filters, make sure the silicone O-ring is facing up. Screw the filter housings back on by hand. Once hand-tight, use the housing wrench for a final snug turn, only about a quarter to a half turn. Be careful not to over-tighten. Now, slowly turn your main water supply back on. Watch the housings and connections carefully. If you spot any leaks, turn the water off and re-tighten. Turn on the nearest cold water faucet and let the water run. You might see some black water at first. That's just harmless carbon dust. Let it run until clear, then flush for another 5 minutes. Wait about 30 minutes, then run that faucet again for 10 more minutes to fully prime the system. Now, your express water whole house filter is ready to protect your home's water. Need a hand or have more questions? Contact us for more info. Clean water starts here with Express Water.